Do you know how important it is to wear your seatbelt? Wearing your seatbelt increases your chance to survive a car crash by 50%. On March 9th, 2010, Kevin and Brian were driving home from their high school football game when they lost control and hit a telephone pole. On impact, they were ejected through the front windshield of their car. If Kevin and Brian were both wearing their seatbelts, they might have just lived, but not in this case. As the ambulance arrived at the hospital, they were pronounced dead. Now Kevin is you and Brian is your best friend. Hopefully you'll make the right decision by putting your seatbelt on when you get into any vehicle.